My to win elections is not easy. Na temire chikora na nya wabara. My to no last time I was running no Muskoli Olenge, my predecessor. I was his DG. We didn't win. We lost here, and by the way, mtu alikuwa koba in the cabinet. We were running koba governor na deputy governor talo. Mheshimiwa Ruto akaranga kutwamnyo kama ono twaso etitiga atubeke in cabinet oyo makora 2.5 oyo ndakora 2.5 otwarenga morendo so that at least kero muntu test direge again twalo kara chikora 2022 we were underrated that will not win, that Ruto will not win. In fact, we suffered here. No ndege land, it could not land. Helicopter, we suffered. But we still won. What I'm saying, etora Europa 2032, ingoro bono, kutarengo. Ngoro. Tindo jone. Ande, kwarengo bonsi, to deal now the way we dealt with them that time. We'll deal with them the same way. I have no doubt. That's why kwenye kubatenga tika tuibange toso assess serikali ime tonyora magenderero paka 2032. Dino tanga muntu to tema no ini tuntu ateme. You will in, but it is no guaranteed. So is guaranteed. Ngakindaruo. I can't. Anonde paka mwisho. And I'll do everything possible in Kisii and Nyamira to make sure that we get the right numbers for our team. We will work day and night. We can tell them again tomorrow, for example.